Good morning, students. Today's question from circle, and this question is important. Okay, the question is the radius of in circle of a triangle is 4 centimeter. This is circle and radius is, suppose this is 4 centimeter. This is the radius 4 centimeter, and segment into which one side is divided by the point that is 6 centimeter and 8 centimeter by the point of contact. Okay, determine the other side. We have to find out AB is equal to what and AC is equal to what. This is the question of circle, but Heron's formula used in this question. What can we do? Only this is given, so BG must be 6 centimeter. Why? Because from an external point two tangent are equal, and this is 8 centimeter. Let this is X and this is X. Let AG equal to AF is equal to X. This is consideration, and we have to find out the area of ABC triangle. तो first S निकाल लेते हैं. S is equal to 6 plus X plus 8 plus 14 by 2. It is equal to X plus 14. ठीक है. अब एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल निकालो. हेरोन्स फार्मूला, बाय हेरोन्स फार्मूला एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल, area of triangle ABC. What will happen? S into S minus A. एक बार फॉर्मूला लिख दे रही हूँ मैं. S minus B, S minus C and root over S. Value of S, that is X plus 14. X plus 14. X minus A. Suppose मैं इसको A लेके चलती हूँ, सामने A के सामने A, तो ये सब्ट्रैक्ट हो गया, तो बच गया सिर्फ x. दूसरा हमने इसमें करेंगे x प्लस 6 सब्ट्रैक्ट होगा इसमें 14 में, तो सिर्फ बच जाएगा 8 और इधर बच जाएगा 6. दिस इज इक्वेशन 1 कर लो. ओके, नाउ अगेन एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल, एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल ए बी सी. अब क्या करना है हमें, ये डॉटेड लाइन, सपोज दिस इज जीरोस ओ, ठीक है, वो ज्वाइन द ए ओ बी एंड ओ सी. ओके, एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल ए बी सी, दैट इज द एरिया ऑफ बी ओ सी. एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल बी ओ सी, दिस इज बी ओ सी, प्लस एरिया ऑफ ए ओ बी plus area of AOB plus area of AOC. दिख रहा है? Is it visible? AOC, area of triangle AOC. What will happen? BOC, half into base into height, and this is given 4 centimeter. It is given in the question. Okay, and this must be perpendicular, so it is height. So area half into base into height, that is 4. फर्स्ट टर्म हो गया. सेकेंड टर्म एरिया ऑफ AOB, हाफ इंटू बेस मतलब 6 प्लस x इंटू हाइट 4 प्लस हाफ इंटू एरिया x प्लस 8 इंटू 4, 2 and 2 is throughout common, then remaining term 14 plus 6 plus x plus 8. It is equal to 14, and this is also 14 and 2x, so 4 into x plus 14. This is equation second. Now equating equation 1 and 2, because both the area of the triangle. equating from equation 1 and 2, what will happen? X plus 14 into x into 8 into 6 root over that is equal to 4 into x plus 14. ओके, मैं ऊपर लिख रही हूँ इरेज करके. Squaring both the side, we will get x plus 14 into x into 6 into 8 that is equal to 4 into 4 into x plus 14 into x. मैंने two times लिख दिया for simplification because this will cancel. Now what will 3 and 2 and 2 से 4 cancel. Okay, 3x is equal to 3x is equal to x plus 14. 2x is equal to 14 और x is equal to 7. So AB is equal to x plus 6 that is 13. AC is equal to x plus 8 that is 15. These are the required answer. Is that clear? This question is very important. 4-5 times ये बोर्ड में आ चुका है. Okay, thank you. This is the another question. If all sides of a parallelogram touches a circle, this is parallelogram ABCD is a parallelogram. So that parallelogram is a rhombus. First of all, what is parallelogram? Parallelogram, two sides parallel and two opposite sides are equal. So AB is equal to DC, right? In a parallelogram, okay. But we have to prove it is a rhombus. Rhombus means all sides equal. Two sides equal in a parallelogram. If we prove this side is equal to this side, then it becomes rhombus, right? This is solution. AP is equal to AS. Why? Because from the external point to tangent, that must be equal. AP is equal to AS. Then BP is equal to BQ. And CR is equal to CQ and DR is equal to DS. Adding equation 1, 2, 3 and 4. What will happen? AP plus BP plus CR plus DR equal to AS plus BQ plus CQ plus DS. Okay, APBP, what will happen? AB, CRDR that is DC, ASBQ, AS and BQ, no, AS and DS करेंगे, ठीक है. AS और DS को लेंगे, AS और DS को लेंगे तो AD हो जाएगा, AD, AS DS को ले लिया, CQ BQ, it become BC. Okay, DC and AB is equal. DC and AB are equal. DC equal to AB. Why it is equal? Because it is a parallelogram. So we can write 2AB. DC को AB कर दिया और 2AB. AD and BC both are equal. So we can write 2 times AD and 2 cancel. AB is equal to AD and given है ही AB is equal to AC. AB is equal to AC. Why? Because sides of parallelogram parallelogram given. So AB equal to BC equal to AB is equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA. So A, B, C, D is rhombus. Proved. Is that clear? Okay, thank you.